Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Here's the kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our friendly Falcons.
We have a few friendly Falcons today. Miss Vitosh was nominated by Samari for being the best teacher ever. Thiago in Miss Sanders' room was nominated by Miss Ginn because he's polite and helpful while walking to his bus after school. Candace in Miss Kilpatrick's class was nominated by Isaiah for being funny, friendly, and a great friend. Great job, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 77 and a low of 63.
Happy birthday to Amani in 4th grade.
Today is National Lookalike Day. Today's the day we celebrate a day. Today's the day we celebrate a day to look alike.
Today in history, in 1770, Captain Cook discovers Australia.
Wow. In the headlines, woman collecting shellfish discovers dinosaur footprints. 29-year-old Marie Woods was walking one day, and then she came across what she believed to be a really old footprint. Scientists believe it to be the most important discovery area since 2006.
Wow.
Today's fun fact is crocodiles are more closely related to birds than they are to lizards.
What? Now for the joke of the day. Max, why are fish so smart?
I don't know.
Because they live in schools.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Max.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump it up, bump, bump.